every day to send money, store photos, or pay for the milk at the local store. But let's be honest, many of us are still just following the steps without really understanding what's happening behind those screens. Here's a simple breakdown of the tools most of us use or avoid because they feel a bit too technical. First, cloud storage. Ever wondered where your photos go when your phone says backed up to the cloud? It's not floating in the sky. It's just a safe digital space, or think of it like an online cupboard where your data is stored so that you don't lose it if your phone gets damaged or full. Google Drive, iCloud, and OneDrive are examples. You can access files from any device, anywhere, and even share them without using WhatsApp or email. For small businesses, it's a great way to store bills, menus, without needing physical copies. UPI and digital payments. Unified Payment Interface (UPI) has changed how we pay. Whether it's Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm, it lets you send money directly from your bank account using just a mobile number or QR code. No need for card swipes or net banking passwords. Also, UPI isn't unsafe as long as you don't click random links or share your OTP. Remember, no real company will ever ask you to scan a QR code to receive money. Scanners, PDFs, and e-signs. Those moments when someone asks you to just send a document digitally. Use apps like Adobe Scan or even your phone's Notes app to scan physical documents and convert them into PDFs. You can also sign them digitally, legally valid and accepted by banks, schools, and even courts. Digital lockers. DigiLocker by the Indian government stores your Aadhaar, PAN, driving license, mark sheets, and other documents. Many government offices now prefer digital copies from DigiLocker over hard copies. It's free, secure, and saves you the panic of where did I keep that file? Backing up WhatsApp. Tap Settings, go to the chats, then Chat Backup to save your conversations to cloud storage. If your phone is ever lost or reset, your chats and media can be restored, but only if you have done this backup beforehand. You don't need to be a tech savvy. You just need to know what to tap and what not to.